channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be doing a bedroom tour for my mother-in-law's room that I recently just decorated, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. And without wasting much time, let's get to it. So I'm going to start over here. So over here we have those mirrors in the back. I bought the mirror from Big Lots and I paid $22 for it, and it was like a last minute thing, and I was lucky to find them because usually they're very rare to find. And this is a lamp that I bought from HOMEGOODS. I think I paid about $45 for each lamp. I got them from HOMEGOODS and I've had them for a while. And if you guys remember the side table, this is the one I had in my spare bedroom, and I just gave it to my mother-in-law because I needed somewhere to put those lamps. But I'm going to get her the IKEA ones because they have drawers so that she can put stuff in there. And that's one of her souvenirs that she got when she went to Africa. It's a boat. And yeah, so I thought I would put some stuff in there. And I didn't really decorate her walls because I wanted her to come and, you know, put in her own touch to the room as well. And then over here we have this white duvet. I bought this from Burlington and I paid about $29.99. It's a comforter and I like it. It's simple and, you know, it doesn't have a lot going on. I was going for a simple look. And over here we have these beautiful pillows. I bought these pillows from HOMEGOODS and I paid $19.99 for each. The gray ones, and the middle one was like $24. And then the white pillows are just my regular big pillows that I've had for a long time, and I had a couple of sets from them. I originally bought them from HOMEGOODS and I just gave some to my mother-in-law. And then on the top I have this beautiful painting that I bought from Ross and I paid about $39.99. I love it. It's really beautiful. I love the rose. And then over here we have a throw. I love this. Before, you guys remember in my home decor haul, I had a different blanket. I had done the whole arrangement and I didn't like how it turned out, but then I had to go and get this one to replace it, and I love it. It's really nice. It goes with the bed. I mean, it goes with the decor that I have, and I really love it. And then, guys, the masterpiece, the curtains. Look at these curtains, guys. They're so beautiful. I really love them. This was a last minute buy. I had to change the previous curtains I had in the decor haul that I showed you guys last time that I did. If you want to see what I had in there that I had changed, you can just go to my video. I'll also link it below this video. And if you want to see the pieces that I have and the pieces that I've switched, you can just go and see it in that video. But look at these curtains, guys. They're so beautiful. I really love them. I love the silver in the curtains, and I like that it's not blush everywhere. It kind of adds a gray element to it and kind of gives a nice feel to the room. And then this lace, I bought it from Burlington as well. It was actually cheap. I was surprised. It was $9.99, and these curtains actually were not bad. I paid about $16.99, which was a steal. They were on sale. Over here we have the other mirror. It was also the one that I bought from Burlington, and it was also $22, which was a very good steal. Look at these. They're so beautiful. Look at these. They're so beautiful. And on this side is the lamp, the other lamp that I also bought from HOMEGOODS, and it was $45.99. And then on the bottom is one of my mother-in-law's other souvenirs that she got from Africa. And that's the side table that I told you about, and I think you've seen it in my other video. And if you want to see that video, my guest room decor video tour, I'll put the link down in the description box and you guys can check it out, and yeah, maybe you might like it. In the corner here, guys, I have these two pillows. This is just a fur pillow that I've had for a while, and I put this little one just to kind of fill up the space, and I think it looked nice. And over here we have my mother-in-law's vintage dresser that she didn't want to get rid of. I wanted to refurbish it, but she didn't want me to do anything with it because she has good memories with it and she wanted to keep this. So I just tried to decorate around it, and I think it went with the color theme that I had in here. I was going to get some knobs that I'm waiting for to come, maybe to switch it up, but I'll have to run it by my mother-in-law and see what she thinks. But so far, I love it. It's a very nice mirror. I like that it's simple, elegant, and it has that antiquishness to it. That's a new word. And then over here, guys, I have this nice floral arrangement. I bought these flowers from Makeover, and I don't remember how much I paid for them. And then I have this beautiful vest here. I bought this from HOMEGOODS, and it was actually cheap. It was about, let's see, how much was it? I have the price. It was $4.99, and it really looks nice. I think it goes with the decor, and I love how it turned out with everything. I just thought I would put some stuff here, like just a little flower here, because I know she's going to fill it up with her makeup, her lotion, and perfumes. Oh, so I hope you guys loved the tour, the bedroom tour. And yeah, and I hope my mother-in-law will love it as well. I really like how everything turned out. I think everything looks beautiful, and I'm sure she'll love it. Thank you so very much, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of the video, and I hope you liked it. I liked how everything turned out. I like how I had some hints of blush here and there, and in general, I liked how everything looked, and I'm excited, and I can't wait for my mother-in-law to see it, and I hope she loves it, and I hope you guys liked it too. And if you have any pointers, please feel free to leave it in the comments, and I'll really appreciate your feedback. And if you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye-bye.